welcome back to my channel. So today we will be starting a new series. Uh, like like I will be like it's not only about posting only a SQL question. So today we will be helping like other folks as well to understand what the Python is and what all data structures we have in Python. So today we will be studying the first, which is a list. So as you know that list is in a Python, which is a mutable order collection of items, right? It can store multiple data types like integer, float, strings, and even other lists, right? So if I want to explain you with the help of example, I can help you see. I am storing with the name of L, and these are the so list is always enclosed with the square bracket where we are giving the numbers as a list, say 1, comma 2, comma 3, 3, right? So here what I've done is I have just passed a list with the help with the numbers which is 1, 2, 3, and now I've just run this list. So let it run. Okay, so if I call this L, so it will be giving a number because it is a as a list, so it is a number. So if we want to check the data type, we would be typing as type and then L. So what it does that it will give the type also that what this data structure holds. So as you can see that the type of this data structure is a list, right? So we can like we so here I have defined the topics also. We would be co covering these many topics, which is adding the element, removing, finding elements, sorting, copy and length, and boolean. Oh, ठीक है. So we would be starting with the first thing first, which is the adding element. So if I want to explain you, so I'll just create one list so that I can just explain you what the append mean. Append mean you are adding the element to the last, right? So so this is the first topic which I will be covering. So what it does that it will add the element at the last. So if want to give you example with the help of append, say about I'm storing one L1 list, and there I'm storing one element say as 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I'm also storing some string values which is I'm storing as a color which is blue, then I'm storing as orange, and then I'm storing as yellow, right? So that is a list which I've created with the help of L1. Now what I will be doing, I will want to append something else. Say about I want to add one more color. Say about I want to add black, right? So what I do that I'll be doing L1 dot append because that is a function which I'm using, and I would be storing one more element at the end which is a black, right? So when I click and like when I click it, so that has been already stored to my main list which is L1. So if I again call that L1, it would be storing a black also, right? So you can see that we are storing like it has stored a black element also. So that is a function of like append is always stored at the last. You can add as many elements as you want. So you can add 50 elements, you can add 30 elements, right? So that is a function of append. You are just storing that element at the back. ठीक, right? So if I want to do one other with the help of append. So I'm just creating a one more list. Say about I'm creating a list with the help of both, which is a integer and string, and I'm also storing one float value also because list can handle all the data types, right? So I'm storing as 1, comma 4, comma 50, 45, comma 67. Then I'm storing some string values, which is I'm storing the names of the animal, which is say as I'm storing as a dog, then I'm storing as a cat, and then I'm storing as a bear, right? So now what I'm just running this list. So if I print A, so it will give me the elements as all the items of the list A, right? Now I want to append it other other two animals also, right? So yeah, one more thing, in the append function you can add only a one like you can not store, or maybe you cannot call, or maybe you cannot add three to four, right? So if I show you, if I want to append, say about I need to add lion, right? And now I need to add monkey, right? Let's see if it is performing or not. See, it cannot take two arguments. It append will always take a one argument at a time. So that is the other functions which I will teach you in after this one. So if I want to only a lion, I close the bracket. Now it will store as a lion because it can store only one value at a time. So if I call a, now it will give lion at the end. So you can see that, right? So that is a function of append. Now we'll move to the next one, which is a insert. So so what the insert does that? Insert is a function, it is also a function in a list. So I'll explain you. We are storing one list, say L2, one, let's say we are having the values as 23, 34, 45, 67, and 12, right? So that is a list which I created with the help of L2. Now I want to insert a element. So insert will always work when we need to give the position, right? So say about I need to insert 10 in a third position. Say about this start with 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? So insert will always work on the position wise, say, right? So if I say L2 dot insert, right, bracket, I need to insert in a, say about I need to insert here 1, comma, I need to insert 10. So it will insert in a first position. So let's see, L2 C. This is position number 1. And also I need to tell you, in a list it start with 0. Say about this is a 0, this is 1, this is 2, right? In the same way, if this is a list A, they start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So this is 7. This is actually indexing and slicing. That will also I will teach you in the coming lectures, right? So you can see that for the insert, uh, I've just insert one element. This is a 10th, and I want to add into a first position, right? So 10. If I want to insert at the last, right? So what I do that? So let me just first of all run the list as a L2. This is my list. Now I want to insert the position of my so I want to add now a string value. Say about I need to add into a fourth, which is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So it will store here, comma, I want to add shoes. So it will insert now. As you can see that it is already inserted. I want to print L2. See, the shoes or is gone to a fourth index, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index is shoes, right? So as you can see there, so these are the some useful methods of the list which we can go and we can help. Like these are the basic topics of the list. I thought like you should also be aware of this topic. So that is a second method which we have covered. Now we'll go to the last topic of our video, which is the extend function. So what this does that extend is always curve. So it is the opposite of append, right? So in a append, as you know that we can add only one element, right? So in a extend, we can cover more than two also, right? So I'll show you. So let's create one empty list, or maybe not an empty list. I'm calling this list as a M, and then I 23, 45. 67, 89, and 123. I'm taking one float value as well, 3.4, comma, and one string value I'm storing as a fish, right? So that is a list which I've created. Let me now, let me, if you want to say that, like if I want to check the data type of this M, so it will give me the list because that is a close bracket which I've used. Now I want to do the with the help of extend, I want to add multiple values, right? So I'll do extend. This is a function. Now I want to add one cat, comma, and want to add and, right? So okay, okay, one second. Okay, one second. I guess it can take only one value. Let me check. Okay, yes. So extend can also take only a one value. So let me print M. Okay, one second. So, okay, let's move to other example with the help of extend. Say about I need to add one more element into the extend. Say, right? So M dot extend. Okay, and now I need to add one cat, comma, and I need to add dog, right? That I need to add, right? So now let me print M. See, cat. So I'm sorry. In a extend method, we need to pass a list. We need to pass a sub list. I, that was the wrong which I've like we did what. So in a extend, if we need to pass multiple values, we need to like pass the values in terms of list, right? So as you can see that I'm passing a cat and dog with the help of list, right? So say about I need to pass another value M dot extend, right? So I need to pass cheetah, and I need to pass other value as uh, like tiger. Say about tiger, I need to pass, right? So this will also add, and now I need to print M. So it will give the value as something like that in a list. Say, wait, print. See, the cheetah and tigers have been added at the end, right? Because I have used in a type of list. So that is a three functions that we have covered. Hope you like the video. And also, if you need the access of this sheet, you can comment below this. Like you can comment like I can attach also and give you the access of this worksheet so that you can also practice and you can like side by side you can take a help of this sheet, okay? And hope you like my video. Hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and also you can share it with everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.